Morning, morning. So the London session is going to open. Have some it. Nasdaq. I don't usually trade Nasdaq. Nasdaq open. I don't volume is there. If we lost EMA again, probably going short. But my reason for this trade was the support and sweep this low. So after that we reclaim the EMA and above the support. So I hope this is going to play out. Anyway, we're in range. Great, but happen. Germany, DAX in a range around 100 points, range. Smaller range in the range. So got to see what the so holding, Nasdaq is holding. I actually was thinking to take this trade. I fix that. Take this trade prop account. Hold. Sure what is seen on the stream. I'm not following the stream. Yesterday I was trading afternoon, and after I finished the session I realized that the stream is not working. So that's that. I'm streaming, but streaming. Yep, looks like I'm live. Somebody decide to watch, not follow my trades. I'm not a professional trader. I'm not successful trader. I'm learning, and channel it's for my own journal. I hope the pressure from knowing that maybe somebody, some pair of eyes are watching me, not silly mistakes. Probably. So for now, this support on Nasdaq is holding. I never traded US when is London session, so I'm not sure how is this going to react. The price is going to react on London Open. So, but for now, I'm I can say I'm bearish on London on DAX, but it's too late for me to go in this position. That was the good place here because we have this resistance and have clearly rejected. So that was a good place to go in short position, but I did not catch that. Yeah, we're losing the 9 EMA, so probably going to reduce my risk and go to wait what is going to happen. If we win the 21 EMA, I may add the position, the half position I close, but for looking like a sweep below, that's the loss. Short probably was better idea to short, but anyway, my decision. Hope to have better session in Germany. Yesterday I had some, yes, not much, but the afternoon, oh, after session. Dobre rano. Afternoon was not great, so I wiped out of the profit that I had in the morning. Wash your tools and you can watch TV, but on low volume, okay? Come here. So I'm mainly trading here in Trade Nation, futures only Nasdaq, Dow Jones, FTSE, DAX. Not really sure today. Market is very range. Copy. There was news today from UK, like the like them for now. The lowest is 439. So we sweep below. Go to check. Holding the holding the pivot. So hold on the pivot. Okay, here we are holding. That's good. So I go to add my half position. Maybe this is a mistake, maybe not. Not sure. Half position. Go with this side stop loss, and I'm thinking. I know that's risky, but I'm thinking take the trade in my prop. So I got to take it with 1 minute. Hide it. Catch. Let's see. Like I said, I'm not sure how the market is going to react. So the US market is going to react on London Open. So pff, levels. The price is very rangy the last few days, so I don't know if we're going to have any good trades today. Like you had this drop down, and then we have this range from 1, 2, 4, 5 days in a row. Price not sure. Go. I had some like we have this like a scalp strategy. Is made it by Tom Hugart. I'm using it not all the time, but cold espresso. Last 5 minutes before open, bracket the last bar, 70 points, and we take short below, long above, with target 20 points, and I know that's range, the stop loss 40, sometime, sometime we let it run, forgetting to change the scenes, maybe OBS Studio. Like I said, I'm new to this, so go to see that that looking good for my short, for my long. Yeah, 7 more minutes to open. Yep, like Nasdaq don't want to continue in my direction. Like we're still above support, so there is some chance, but I was expecting we go to broke this high 479. So until we broke that, we're not on a don't broke it. Probably we're going to continue down. Target will be low of the day 7, looking bearish for now. Wait, Germany bounce from the pivot point. So if we accept above 25,050, we're going to be bullish. If we reject, I can go short again, but I need to wait the 9 o'clock open. See what the first few bars are going to show me. Okay, that's good for now. UK Nasdaq is holding support, and are pushing above the previous bar, which is giving me some confidence that this trade may work. Like maybe my target is too ambitious, but the first obvious target is yesterday close, 29,500, and then we can close half position there, and I can hold a runner. I'm not sure how many contracts I open. Ninja two, nope, one. So yeah, can't close half here. I can close only full position, so that's okay. If we wanna play it safe, we can, since the price hold and defend this level, I maybe that going to be, oh actually there my somewhere. So anyway, actually if we break that below, oh, the ADA is probably not going to continue down. So, yeah, I go to try to move my close, other one here, stop loss. Second, I'm going to let my ad read so much, try to turn against me. Going to yeah, getting to change this. So 2 minutes before open, we have we have our bar for open. So the 5 minute bar before open. Like I said, the idea is here go long above, short below. In 17 points are buffer between the last bar and the and that we so okay, it's breaking off. So you can for now just sweep this and maybe we'll go higher. How the open is looking like sometime just rushing and you don't have Nasdaq another trigger. 1 minute before open. So we have our short position on. Yeah, we take the long and I'm thinking if the long continuing in that direction that I'm going to hold it, not for 20 points, but like we have Nasdaq. Yeah, that was I was afraid that I don't know how is reacting. Looks like there is a reaction Nasdaq, so I lost trades. I press a trade and I lost. Unfortunately, they just tick me in, and that's that's very. They just tick me in, and right away price go up. not happy about. Now it's creating the short side, but DAX is there is this another strategy are negative are also buy below, or we can close. Here is last known support. Wait the first 5 minutes. Like the strategy is to buy below the first bar, negative price for. So looks like that was some kind of a now, and buy. One percent, 9%, just one doing some stuff. So until long, maybe it's going to be. Maybe they go to hold target. That's the target. I don't have bias in DAX because, like I change. So I'm waiting breakout above 25,050, break below 1,900. Just don't know if I want some trade. We show some trend here or hold again, but maybe some buy, but my favor, I will probably take half of the low. For now, UK is showing more strength than DAX. DAX is going to turn negative. Stop loss is probably going. May try some because for me this is the reversal pattern, strong bear bar, but we're above pivot, so for me this is problem with this. Go in here, we have targeted target support and time, so buy here on support. Kind of okay, but short 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 is two 5 points, so just don't see parties. It can continue, but maybe can sell on 'overall it's still I'm receiving some. I have a like made it alerts on TradingView, and my alert now are telling me that it's short for the DAX position, but that's looking weak, very weak, broken below pivot. So I may wait to see for some kind of retest of this zone and go short. Some retest on this zone 976, good for a short, and not like we don't got have any back. Maybe we go here, but risk to reward again is not great. We can try to buy it on. Can try to buy it here. I'm buying here because of this board. Like I already said, this hold few times, 1 to 3 times. So I hope they may be going to hold again. But it's two very strong bar. That's very strong bar. So going to go to reduce my size because I'm not very confident. And if the trade price hold, I may add this half, but now I just go here. We go have still above of EMA. Like everything is weak. Germany is continuing. I think this is not great. They just broke they broke like this bit. So are going to sometime I'm fighting with myself about the positions. So my first read was DAX is weak and the bars is forming my position, but then I go and buy it. Why did I do that? That because times 30 1 o'clock, clock, night. UK, take me out. Okay, back to the sport. Like I say, my stop loss was perfectly placed. So now today, not to, I already had one morning, and now I have week. All the red, yes, red. Dow Jones, literally, uh, yeah, I made stop loss placement trade. Short, 34. So stop loss target. Well, I just can't go in. Yeah, this not going like a retest and still my TP is worse than my stop loss, so not great trade. Maybe I got to go in back for short position, and I'm going to take the same position in prop account, selling and I don't know how to like Maybe I go to sell second contract because I want to have now how I do that, how to split check how to split this stop loss. Take one here, for example, and to let the other one to run. That looks like it is going to go against me too. Oh wow, I hold and my stop loss just very bad stop loss on a level that I know that they can retest. So that was great. And now everything is starting to rally. I'm in a short position Nasdaq. Maybe relax. My stop loss is again on an obvious place. So what you are not supposed to do. I'm moving my stop previous structure that was defended. So maybe it's a better stop loss. I'm forgetting to change the seats again. Yes, last last structure that was defended. So there, wait, and yeah, you can. Why did I had so bad stop? So if somebody watching this, I'm not a professional trader. This channel is made it my personal gain, me to learn from my mistakes, watching this data, pointing myself what I have done wrong, not follow my trades. I'm not profitable. I'm still learning. Doing this here, I can say that I see, I understand some stuff, but it's the battle, psychological battle after hard to accept loss, which I know, my brain know what is right and what is wrong, but and I hope I have the pressure that I'm not alone. Maybe help me to stuff. You're welcome to stay and watch and DAX expensive watches and private jet. I can show you my cup of coffee. I'm trading small sizes because I don't want to be stressed out when I'm losing because stressed and go in the state of I need to take my money back, starting to revenge trading and make a lot of bullshits. Losses are just adding up, and half size Nasdaq. Good hold for now. I'm going because I don't really. I am too. Okay, we're at half size, so look, the look is great. Farming. So we have two obvious targets. That's target one. What a runner I'm with a half position. So not better just add to my position. Going to last out to problem. Cancel. My first obvious target. What is what happened? Now they also yep 11% completely dry. Happy. happy. So I got to wait to see if there is going to be another trade opportunity, and because now we must have, you know, here is this another strategy made it by Tom Hogarth is to run bracket of the second 15-minute bar, same thing, long above, short below, some kind of exceptions. Sometimes you just take anti like opposite, and for now what I see short side is stronger. I'm getting frustrated. I did not take short on this candle. Make almost the same mistake yesterday. Nasdaq again to change my scene. I make the same mistakes yesterday on Nasdaq. Set to sell short. I was buying here. So that's the open. Then price go back. I did not. I didn't watch this bar. This is news bar. And instead to sell on this retest, I did buy exactly here, and so that was a mistake I made yesterday, and looks like I just make the same mistake today, literally. Like I just make the same mistake today. Sometimes our eyes are. So I had a long position here. Again, it's a bad position. Like obviously the bar was green. I was thinking they are breaking. What happened? Yield? So we are on the first take profit. I just don't understand now. Like, why is this? We didn't even go there. Take I take profit 5 6 points away. Like I am not sure what just happened there. It go to my take profit, take some part of it. So we may start to retrace that. So I'm going to take my stop loss lower on the last banded zone. Uh, my size is too small for today's losses. So let's see. We're going to have a short on short signal on DAX. Question is, do I want to take the short here after What will be my target and where is my stop? Okay, my stop is going to be here above. Then my target is there. Down is all short. Yeah, just the short is activated, like the signal is activated. Do I take for that all the time the prices was coming here to this pivot support one, so pivot support is down here. So if the price is going to act in the same way, for now it is, maybe the better trade here is buy again. We are in the lower end of the range. So we counting that the range is going to continue and maybe it's better just to wait the price to came closer and buy that. Try another long. I missed the short already. But it's very small size. I was thinking with bigger size. So this the losses I had to change. I didn't change the things again. Ay ay ay. Probably must just I probably must share the screen and like my other monitor and other display and not think about this changing. Okay, so Nasdaq is working. So I'm going to place my stop lower and go to let it work. Break you here and with the overall Nasdaq, yes, Dow Jones is still in, but barely. Russell is red, S&P red, Nvidia pre-market red, AMD red, Microsoft. One good trade, but with small, very small size. So yeah, probably I will try to tomorrow to change the uh, settings in OBS and I go to make it to capture my. Okay, we we broke below swing points. So there is an option now ready to turn around that or and down to my. I wanna do. Well, that's the problem. I could close now half, let the half to run. Since I don't have, go to close this, and on my other account, 5.100. I don't want to closer. Germany. Ooh, that's what I was saying. That close to this support, we can buy this because this was a strong support, stronger than first one. Do I wanna try it? Maybe 5 minutes. Oh, some buyers are there. Some buyers are stepping. Right? Is holding strong. So UK hold in the same EMA 9 EMA 1. The only one minus here is that we're below pivot hourly. That was a strong support here. Strong support and price all the way up. Pivot the 1 hours. Maybe searching for buy. Half size. Buy. Germany. Going down. Germany is going down. Breakdown. Port is holding. Yeah. US. Yeah, they take me out before to continue. Obviously, my mistake. Holding the 9 EMA, so uh, nothing is broken. Trade was supposed to continue. Me micromanaging, micro, every single move, every single bar, my profit, something. Well, we make some. trade, not much, something. So what is going on here? DAX. I'm thinking to buy DAX here, and probably I'm going to make the same mistake, or probably it's better not to go on since I try one long, it didn't work. Here I try long down, and now I'm watching again. Oh wow, like I couldn't go wrong. Lost 9 EM again, and that will probably be my last trade for the session because there are two. I go to let this to run, and I will probably not trade them, but I think I was confident by that. Okay, so later.